All right, so today is October 10th, 2024. Today we do have, I didn't put anything up. We do have news. Give me 1 minute. Let me pin this for a bit. We do have news coming up. Um, we do have news. Oh, it pops up over there. Cool. We have 8:30 news. I believe it's CPI. Um, Whoops, did not mean to do that. I'm gonna have to reload this whole thing. All right, give me a minute. Things are loading. All right, so here we go. All right, so we do have news at 8:30. So what I noticed for today that I noticed yesterday, I wonder if I noticed it. Today is Wednesday, right? So yeah, what I noticed for Tuesday, for Monday. All right, so today is today Wednesday? No, today's Thursday. Today's Thursday. Let's see if we had it for the prior day. Why these things are not going away? Maybe I need to hit. Okay, I didn't hit that. All right, there it is. Okay. All right, Monday. This is Monday, right? Monday we just had a sell-off, and I don't see any, but we did respect the noon session. All right, respected the noon session here. And then respected the noon session here. All right, so this is the noon session. We got volume here, price moved up. Let's go to a clear chart real quick. Oh, that's not clear. All right, even worse. All right, give me a minute. So we had the long noon session here. Price respected it here after it broke through it, came down midday again, and bounced. All right, and closed up here, respecting this pre-market level, end of day level, right here. All right, during the Wednesday open, we came back and respected the same level here, but more so this, because this is where we have our next noon session. All right, respected that. We bounced out, break up, broke this level, but we never retested anything up here. Never retested anything here, but we did retest these highs over here and these highs over here from this triple high from that Monday to Tuesday, right? Maybe even we can say high of day. Is that all-time high? I believe this is all-time high. All right. They respected all of this here. All of that got respected right there. What does it look like on the 5-minute chart? It's a good question. All right, let's do that. There you go. Oh yeah, I remember this. This is where we had a huge candle that I couldn't even capitalize on. This is where we had a zero print right here at 819. So it looked like it coincided very well with all of that there. There's a high in this one, 21. High in this one, 20, 18. All right, so we had a zero print right here at about 19 here. All right, and price came and tested it. It also had some strong volume here. All right, so price tested that and bounced. I still have a zero print right here that I'm going to keep. So I just want to see how price is reacting, what is it reacting to, and what to keep my focus on. All right, and then right now, that same midday session right now, here, we're bouncing off of. All right, something around here. All right, so let's get to our regular charts and let's get through it. So first, as always, going to do Heikin Ashi first, and then regular standard charts. So let me clear what needs to be cleared. All this can go. One thing I am going to do, I'm going to see what the contract all-time high is in regards to the continuous contract all-time high. So we have yes, yes, what's the contract for yes? Usually just pops up without me having to do this. I need this December contract. I don't see it. Alright, futures. Alright, give me a minute. What is the number for Z? ESC. ESC 24. Yeah. Crap. Did not mean to change that one. Alright, bear with me. Alright, the high is not day. I need daily. The high is 58465. All right, so we're up to code with the new all-time high. So nothing's looking weird. All right, so let me put this back the way it was. Put this back to 5-minute. Put this to Alright, put this to the side and zoom out. I have a lot of cleaning to do. First I want to see how we broke out of this. So we broke out of this in close but no volume. So we may not linger up here for too long, but we did break out of that weekly area and all-time highs. What does the week look like? We're looking like a hanging man potential. So maybe next week we'll drop. Like this engulfing candle. Nice pullback. I like this candle here. Nice pullback. Alright, so daily we are above. Gotta respect that. Alright, could be another bounce off of this somewhere. So is there any volume in here to, you know, make this bounce, to validate this bounce? Strong candle. See some volume in here. Maybe even bounce it off of that here, but more so the first candle. Buying. Not 30 minutes. I want to do hour. Oh, that's nice. That is very nice. Yeah, that long position I had really was gonna likely work out in the day. You're holding 58.20. Yeah, that looks like a nice area for me to want to go long. Yeah, I definitely would like to see the zero print be filled here. Alright, and I did say that I wanted to see a sell-off from up here. So, but like yesterday, I was saying yesterday, NQ didn't have selling, it had green buying volume, so that kind of like made me wonder about this. But this here are together. So, alright, so let's go back to we do have news at 8:30 in 10 minutes. So I'm trying to quickly set up something which may not last that long. So this weekly candle can get lowered. I'm not going to put all my faith in the weekly candle anymore like I did last time, and I got bashed when I thought that price would reject it, but price ended up going right through it. So right here, this is irrelevant. I'm going to have to keep eye on all of this. I don't have anything here that I trust. We do have buying here, but price have yet to leave. We also have buying here that price did leave. All right, so I'm going to circle these two, but I'm not going to make anything of them for now until price has really done something with itself. Until then, there will just be areas of interest that I can keep an eye on, as well as over here and maybe even over here. So we'll see what the range chart gives us, because right now I can't really figure out what to do with any of that information. For NQ, let me get rid of all of the stuff that I have here. NQ been having some good midday setups. That's been catching my attention. This area here is important for NQ. This is where we rejected. Seller's wick. This is where we rejected that we had did with ES a while ago, and NQ did the same thing. So this is my seller's wick. the high. Let's move it over. I'll make a new one and get rid of initial balance. We destroyed all that we had here. I'll get settlement price in a bit. Let's get rid of all of that. That did its thing. I don't need nothing from here. What the heck is this? It's a weekly. It's the weekly candle. We're highly above it. We destroyed it. Get rid of this trend line. Get rid of this line here. Let's move this high to here, and then we'll make a copy of this low with a space bar. Let's bring it down to here, and same thing with ES. It looks like I may have some levels here that I might be interested in where buyers try to step in. This is the big volume. Big volume. And then we'll mark this area right here. We're going to go to VIX. I need to do my high of day and low of day for ES. Let's get rid of this. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. This area can stay. We hit these lows quite a few times. Couldn't get out of them. These lows became the new lows apparently. And then we got this high right here. And grab that. This is the high. And there's the weekly also that we're chopping through. I believe that's the week. Let's go into the weekly real quickly and see what we got. It's coming from there. No, that is not the week. Alright, so that one can go. Back to 30. Keep an eye on news. Once again, I said we do have news coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is probably going to move the market for sure. What is this empty thing? Isn't it supposed to be yeah, CME and open up? Yeah, so we have major news coming out very soon. So all of my drawings might be ineffective, but I really can't get a hang of the charts as of yet. I had a 3 o'clock move area and somewhere around 7 for this, right? So, or 5:30. I'm gonna mark this one. I like the inversion. Sure, why not here? Let's go back. Was it 5:30? 7 o'clock, right? 7 o'clock for sure. Alright, so this one would be this candle here that failed. Alright, so and then we're gonna mark this area here is just interesting. Alright, so let's go to standard candle. Alright, I really would like to see price come down here and bounce. Let me prepare myself for potential buy within 15 minutes after the news candle, because that area is where I would be looking for a buy. And candle news comes out very soon. Get settlement in there. Did we do settlement? Yeah, we closed the gap. Broke above it. settlement price right there, right below it. Alright, so in case news comes out and I see something that I'm interested in, I will be prepared to buy. I'm going to be playing these levels for that. News comes out very soon, so let me get my charts up. Let me zoom out. I really want to see this zero print get filled down here. That's what I really would like to see. I'm not really looking for any shorts right now because I didn't mark anything. I'm not looking for a short up here. I am going to keep an eye on NQ as well. Where's my NQ chart? So bear with me. And NQ does have its level down below around 2386. So news comes out in 1 minute. Price is fluctuating a lot. I can see, sorry, volume is fluctuating a lot. Let me make sure I can get in and out of this trade if I do get in it without having to panic. 40 seconds before before it comes out, so I'm just gonna wait. So this might be a little longer video than usual. All right, and it goes. So like I said, looking for the zero print to be filled. That's my most important objective. Price comes out soon. It's wicking. All right, let's see price come down to this area and bounce. Down. Whew, couldn't even get that if I wanted to. So we did fill that gap. Yeah, see, I'm looking at my charts and I'm looking at my footprint chart. 5829 is what's trading right now. Now it's syncing up, but the fill went a little faster than I wanted it to, and it went beyond where my stop loss would have been at right here, which I figured. If we hit that settlement price and dropped, so we got about 14 minutes to figure out what price is actually trying to do. NQ also hit seller's wick right here, hit seller's wick right near the high day. I don't know where the settlement price is for NQ yet, while ES is trying to figure out itself. I'm going to go look into NQ settlement price. And then I'll add the settlement price to NQ to see where it is, because it will be considered our gap area. So right now I would have been up. I was able to get here. I would have been up that's 8 points. Alright, got NQ settlement price, but I'm not gonna buy this while we're already up 8 points and chase that. That'd be stupid. All right, so this is like these two are likely gonna go away because price slash through them. Adding NQ's settlement point. Do I have one I can just copy? No, I erased it. So what about here? Set. Point lag matches up with seller's wick. Look at that. Okay. So if price can hold, I definitely would like to see a bounce and a push up higher. But take a sentiment all the way down, that'd have been a nice point. Nice move down. I don't think we had any upward direction from up here. Looks like the selling is very strong there. Let's see if we have any zero prints I can work with. Oh, okay, is that a zero print? That's 3.6 to 3.8. Look like a whole bunch of empty candles up here. Sheesh. So definitely could be seeing some selling up here. If you see the print, there's nothing up here. That's what it always looked like. There's nothing up there. It was CPI, correct? It was CPI and unemployment claims. VIX is still holding yesterday's low and the other day's low. Looks like selling definitely won this one. Okay. So we have about a few more minutes. I'm gonna get rid of these here. It's gonna worthless to me now. So it's that one. All right. I'm glad that I can clear up some stuff. Same thing with NQ. And with VIX. So that's what we're working with. Okay. Not much. All right, so let's go into the 5-minute. Let's go out to the end. And we do have selling right here. Look like NQES is trying to dump along with NQ. NQ is coming into this consolidation range here. I think it's using that area to dump like ES did the other day. Definitely seeing that happening. ES. You don't say. Alright, give me 1 minute. What the heck is going on here? Oh, that's right. This is the one I'm dealing with, just a 5-minute. Let's put this back to where it was. Put this on the 5. Alright, so print gone. I don't know what that is, but it can definitely go. We're back below the weekly. Here we got strong selling, which we matched and bounced off of. keep that like that because we basically did touch mostly all of that. The zero print printed, the same area. I'm gonna get rid of this. It's keep throwing me off. We'll have a lot of zero prints at the top there, of top of news, which is near the, got a big one at 35 and 37. Zoom out. We got nothing at all on the higher ups. Then it fades out to the whole top part, 44. We're 35, 37. Looks like we don't have anything, no buying, no selling. 35 to 37. What's the 1 minute do? Yeah, right around here. There's like nothing. So we'll see how price reacts when it goes up to that level. Alright, and then we have VIX. I'll add news to VIX. We still got for 1 minute. Alright, and that's it. So that was our news move. I don't think we got anything worth truly noting at the time. I forgot to get rid of settlement price. This is yesterday's settlement price. Alright. I'm going to go into the range chart. Alright, so my range chart, I got 20 tick 9,000, 15 tick 1,500. Alright, so everything is set. Okay. So strong volume here and there. I don't have anything here. Let me make sure all of them also are showing. I think so. I think they're all showing extended hours. Nothing up there. Strong selling here. I stood out. Yep. So price died out. Gave the let go. Alright, so I don't have anything as of yet. So definitely selling up here. down here, definitely buying down here. Broke through it. Broke through it. Strong selling. Selling. Here. Should have been buying prior to. But it looks like NQ is already starting its buying. NQ looks good with the buying that it's delivering. I definitely would like to see ES come lower. For VIX. So I'm buying. I don't have anything for VIX really. Alright, so I'm done with my range chart. Alright, I think I am done setting up. Yeah, I think I'm done setting up. Now I just would like to see price come down a little lower into that level. I think I hit every point that I could hit, and I was just waiting. Alright, so that's it for me for now. I know we had to go through news, but this wasn't too bad for the 2 minutes because we waited good 15 minutes. Went through all the news that we're gonna have today. Close that out. 10:30, some gas, some speakers. So still gonna look for that news, that noon setup, midday setup. Went through settlement price, and we're not gonna too much deal with this. What is that? 5807. 5807 is this area. Okay. Oh, I didn't put the high for yes. High. Low. Alright, cool. Alright, so that's our range. I definitely would like to see a bounce here, move up. For a price to move up, I do need VIX to move below these lows, or VIX to reject the highs up here, because VIX has been really just being a headache. Even so here, alright, so it's not really, and it did clear that, didn't it? Nope, it did. So this would have to come from 10. That, yep. that's what I am dealing with. Putting this away. If we can reject the news high on VIX CPI, then maybe we can get a bounce up on ES and NQ. Pretty much it. So going to log off of this. I am done recording. I'm done setting up. I got my levels